Today's video is going to be slightly different since we are not at home in our usual gaming setups, and that is because we have taken a trip to go visit CES, a huge tech convention in Las Vegas where a lot of brands show off their newest products every year. We went here last year too and vlogged our entire trip, both what we saw at CES and also everything we experienced and explored around Vegas itself. It was an amazing trip, so definitely check out that video after this one. But yes, we are back at CES this year and have special attention towards Sylvox's booth. Sylvox makes outdoor TVs, which we have showcased on our channel several times since we absolutely love the quality of them and the way they bring our outdoor area to life. This year, they're launching two specific series, the Frameless series and the Frameless Pro series. Both of the Frameless series have similar specs and functions, but the Pro has twice as bright display at 2000 nits. They are the world's first outdoor TV with ultra-narrow bezels at just 1.5mm for a 95% screen-to-body ratio. That is up to 90% thinner than conventional outdoor TVs, bringing even more immersion and a sleeker look to your outdoor setup. As they are outdoor TVs, this means they can withstand the elements too, from really bright sunshine with its 1000 nit or 2000 nit display brightness, to withstanding both hot and cold temperatures between -30 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, or -22 Fahrenheit to 122 Fahrenheit. And of course, rain and snow, thanks to its IP56 water and dust resistance. We have a previous model of their outdoor TV and have left it outside on both hot summer days and freezing cold winter nights, and it still works and functions great. Now, it's not the best time to sit outside and watch TV in the freezing cold, but the idea is that you could light a cozy fire, put on a movie, and breathe in the fresh winter air. Or even just the peace of mind of not having to drag it in when it gets too cold or when it's raining is a big plus. The quality of these TVs are great too, with 4K resolution and advanced anti-glare technology, vibrant colors, and of course, the Dolby Atmos and dual 12-watt speakers. Pair this with its small bezels, and you'll have a great experience. And for ease of use, you also have access to Google TV for smart apps, Google Assistant for voice control, and 2.4 and 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi for seamless movie streaming. If you're looking to give your yard a luxurious upgrade, you can also check out the 110-inch outdoor TV, the Cinema Pro. It's currently the world's first large-screen outdoor waterproof TV, and it's worth considering. We had a great time checking out these models at the CES exhibit, and are grateful for Sylvox for inviting us out there and sponsoring this video. Make sure to check the description below for more info, and while you're down there, like the video if it was helpful and subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this. As I mentioned before, we have a full Las Vegas travel vlog up on our channel here on YouTube, as well as several short form videos showing off other parts of CES. See you guys when we're back in a usual setup. Bye.